Okay, so Tariq Taj is laughing. There is something which is to be hidden. So come on, Tariq Taj, please send your flare.
Talha.
Talha. Okay, guys, his topic is how can we stop ourselves?
All the admirings and praises goes to our Creator, Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. After paying thanks to my father because of whom I'm here, I would like to pay thanks to Sir Sayyid Shahid Khan just because of whom I'm standing in front of you. Guys, the line I'm holding tonight is how can we stop ourselves? There is no need to place a logic behind the line, but a simple addition should be. How can we stop ourselves from unwanted desire, extra expenses, and things which are hazardous and harmful to us for a happy life? Similarly, I want to say that a guy, you can consider me as well, if I'm a layman, a lenient guy who wants everything, definitely if a sweeper is there, he wants to marry Aishwarya Rai. But in dream, there is no rule, there is no limit. But according, he has to manage his life according to his salary, according to his income. So if he dreams, it's okay. Now if he expends according to his income, that yeah, I'm having this thing and I have to do expenditures are like this. So it would be a simple and quite happy life. If I wanted to be a legend, but definitely I'm not having a guts and a power to follow the legend. The legends are not the laymen, they are like icebergs. Means having a small tip over the water and having a large like mountain under the water. They are like a hand pump, just 4 feet on the ground and the 40 feet inside the ground. So be like, if I want to be like a 4 feet on the ground, I can be. But if somebody can just kick and here I goes. But if I want to be or be my just strong my roots as 40 feet, I cannot. And if I can, it will need a lot of effort. So similarly, I just want to advise you and firstly myself also that if I will just, I or we just stop these extra expenses and these stop foolish thinkings, we will be live happy life. There is no need to inspire by anyone.
Yeah, you are saying that we should not see the dream and we should not see this day. What our great teacher said that everybody has a champion on his own heart. So same like that. If you will see the dream, so definitely we will do efforts like that. If you talk about Fedor, he used to do training in a boxing club. Then he was also poor guy. If he wouldn't have seen the dream that yeah, I will enjoy my luxurious life. So what do you think? Will he become? No. If you talk about Shahbaz Zada, he was also a poor guy, but he inspired by the Fedor, that food. Now the people are recalling his name. But if you will not inspire by someone, so it would be hard to be a champion man.
Guys, I will stay this program just for 40 seconds.
Resuming my presentation, as my fella said, he was just completely talking about the inspiration and the inspiration. Finally, you got it, my last part of my presentation. But what about the first part, which I just took my lots of effort to make you understand? That being inspired, definitely a thing who is idol of you, you can be inspired. But in the beginning of my presentation, I said that if you can't do hard work and you cannot spend a time like him, so it's foolishness for you. If you are inspired by a guy and you want and you need that, yeah, you can do each and everything like him, go for your success, man. Who will stop you?
My brother is talking about the sweeper. He is getting the salary in the 7,000 per month and he is spend the life. So man, where he is living? He is living in the Pakistan. And man, there is a lot of expenses there. And about the Sita, rich man and poor man, they are both the same. They are deserving the life. They want to big expenses in the life. So man, what see, man. He's a human being, and you are talking about he will spend the life and he will little bit spend the salary and he will get the successful. So man, you are talking about what are talking about this thing, man.
My typical Pakistani brother, as you are having habit of just keep criticizing about Pakistan, that a sweeper having 7,000 living in Pakistan. Oh my God, in America, the sweeper is having the same salary like Bill Gates is having? No, there is a such different, a social different. Like a businessman is having a high salary and sweeper is the least, most designation in the environment. So that is what I'm trying to say, that if he is having 7,000 and he wants a Rolls Royce in a just shade of his house, so how is it possible? Will it inspiration? No, it is just to waste his life. So that is why I'm just stopping all of us and me that do not see a dream which is just incomplete or impossible to chase in one life.
Last question.
Listen, Mr. Tala, you are thinking a sweeper having dream to marry with whatever. Listen, a wife will say, in dream, you are mine. But in my life, you are my dream. It will be said, whatever you will do by a dream, if today you are seeing a dream, if you will do act upon it, then tomorrow you will do whatever you want.
A dream girl of sweeper was not whatever, it was Aishwarya Rai. I will tell you spelling letter. But the thing is that as you just narrated a part of the person who is my idea too, so you just misunderstand the words. You are my dream in the real and you are in my dreams, you are my, let me say that, sorry I forgot the main words. But the thing is that if the thing is just in your dream in the real life, so means you are not inspired by him, you have to chase the dream. And for chasing the dream, you have to do hard work. So here hard work comes if that hard work is suitable for your limit. Definitely if you just want to be a cricketer and you are responsible to just run the food of your family, so where will you go? Here comes a revenge or a match between your responsibilities, between your inspiration. And majority it happens that people just kill their inspiration for their responsibilities. So being just prove yourself and you will know what is responsibility.
That was a well game, according to me, but still, judges' remarks are remaining not in my heart, in your hand. So first, I like to ask from Sir Muhammad Inayat. Please, score for Talha. 8.85. Really, Talha, you got credit of Aishwarya. Okay, please finalize the score of Mr. Talha. 8.82. 92. 8.92. Okay, so finally the result came. This is the result of Sterling. Okay, this is correct. 8.8 double 8.8 8.8 8.8 8